Fellow progressive forces, fellow South Africans, Africans in particular. Operation Dudula minions have been taken to court. An anarchist group of rascals have been taken to court by civil rights organizations. I think it's about time, this kind of anarchist group be taken to task. I mean, held to account. It can't be that a group of unemployed drunkards in our township group themselves to actually take a deliberate decision to attack, particularly a particular nationality and a particular race. In the main, these are blacks, Africans. Right? This is a group that doesn't actually go after any other race except Africans who are in the country, calling them foreigners. It's about time because this group often takes law into their own hands. They must be taken to task. I think this is a very good move as far as I'm concerned. We can't have anarchists roaming the streets, harassing people who are in business. I mean, if you are an asylum seeker in this country, you can work and you can do business. For those you don't require 5 million rand, by the way, as this anarchists who have been misled on the law, that actually they need to know that these laws are actually differ from one another. There are laws that says you must actually have 5 million rands and above. But the Refugee Act is something quite different. Once you are an asylum seeker in this country, you can work or do business in this country. So this group actually goes around harassing ordinary, brothers and sisters who are in the country. So what our brothers need to know is that it is only the law enforcement that can actually come and ask you a question. No other anarchist, unless if that person comes under what we call oversight in terms of whether you are from parliament, whether you are from the provincial legislature, or whether you are from including the council. But not just some ordinary operation to Dudula minion somewhere coming to harass you. You need to know your rights. You've got no obligation, none whatsoever, to answer drunkards who goes around looking for bribes, looking for money, extorting money from business people. It's about time it comes to an end. And we need to expose who is this, who are these characters in the name of Operation Dudula. These are people who are unemployable. You can't employ them. They are unqualified. They've got these are drunkards in the main, in the township. So these characters, even the ruling party cannot help them. Those who claim they fought for liberation in this country. These are characters who then goes around harassing business people in the township in the name of Operation Dudula. Others have joined various political parties. Others are found in an organization called PA of Gayton Mackenzie. Others are found in MK, by the way, right? Even the same Operation Dudula tried to launch as a political party, but it did not go anywhere because South Africans are not xenophobic. It's about time they are called into order, and it's about time we put them at their place. Nobody who takes himself serious will listen to anarchists in the name of Operation Dudula minions. They must be actually held to account for harassing ordinary people who are in this country, who are law-abiding citizens in this country, who have visited this country. Some of them have got papers that proves that they're in the country, whether as asylum seekers, whether as permanent resident, people who are in the country. But we must not legitimize Operation Dudula, and we must never legitimize division of black people, because anybody who says Operation Dudula is correct, you are simply saying it's correct for black people to be divided. And any group that actually perpetuate division and disunity amongst Africans, that grouping must be isolated. It must be dealt with, and dealt with decisively.